past 30 years, technology of scanner has changed small. It is still slow and hard to use. Imagine one true smart scanner, which is fast, connected to Wi-Fi, and easy operated. What's more, it can scan books.
This is CZUR.
We redesigned the structure of scanner. We hope that our product can help more people work easier, and that's the most important reason to motivate us every day.
Scanning speed is so important for everyone. To make this reality, a lot of new technologies have been used on CZUR for the first time.
We creatively use 32-bit MIPS CPU for our scanner through the strong image processing and computing ability. We improve the speed for about 20 times compared with the traditional scanner.
Most difficult problems have been solved, including flattening curve, erasing fingerprint, and smart edge cutting, and so on. All of this can be done automatically.
We believe that technology shouldn't be minorities' privilege. New technology and algorithm can lower the cost of the hardware. So after testing image algorithm for hundreds of times, CZUR will be the first affordable book scanner for everyone.
Using CZUR scanner, you can scan the items that you want to save. They can be documents, vouchers, files, contracts, and even solid objects.
Using CZUR Cloud, you don't need to install any software or driver, and you can check it out from your laptop, iPad, or your smartphone.
Equipped with 16 million pixels camera, CZUR can make sure the clarity of every scanning and OCR function can also make digital copy editable. CZUR is also a visual projector with 1080p.
With your help, we together can change the way of scanning forever.
We need your support to drive the technology forward. We hope more people can enjoy this true smart, world-only scanner.
Please support us to make our dream come true. Thank you.